there are like two types, the male one and the female one. So if you see, there is a similarity between this and this. This is called Gauri Shank. So Rudra, which denotes Shiva, and Gauri, which is Parvati. So both of these shanks has different decibels when you blow it. Usually the Rudras are bass type, and the Gauris are very rare, and it's like treble type. Okay, so we will try to blow each one of them, and we will also show you how you can feel the vibration, the aura when we blow the shank. So it brings in a lot of positivity in your area. So what is said is that when you blow a shank, it is actually Omkara. So this is a spiral star. So what you're doing is you're blowing. You're not just blowing. You are sending through pressurized air through this hole over here, and that circulates. It goes in a spiral manner, and then it emits from here, which gives you that. So that's basically Omkara. If you are into spirituality, you will know that, like, Om, which we generally say, is A, U, and M. Okay, it's like okay, so A coming from here, O coming from here, and that coming from here. Okay, so the same thing happens even in this. So, like, quite a lot of people ask me, like, how do you even go and find an original shank? There are a lot of duplicates. So the only way is, like, use your common sense. So these are all creatures from the sea. So, and if you want to know which is natural, just put your hand inside and you can feel the waves inside, like little contours inside. So that's how you come to know about it, that this is original. Now say that there's a bump here. So if this is made by human beings, then, like, this will not have a dent here from the inside. So you touch and feel and you can come to know about it. The alternate way is, like, when you put your shank something like this, you can hear the ocean.